been investing $50 every week in the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 1 year, a month, and a week. By the end of last week, I've achieved a 19.7% return rate. Check out my latest update in this video. Last week wasn't all sunshine and rainbows. Some of those predictions from the investor community came true, and the S&P 500's impressive 6-week winning streak came to an end. Yep, you heard that right. A 0.4% drop brought our profit back below the 20% mark. I know it sucks, but it's also normal in the stock market. So what went wrong? Well, it's all about the CPI data for January, which rebounded unexpectedly. Seems like the market was a bit too optimistic about inflation cooling down and the Fed cutting rates soon. The optimism got a reality check and the investors got a bit jittery. However, our investment journey must continue. Last week, I purchased $50 of VOO around 9:30 a.m. on Tuesday. Right now, I have acquired 11.3 shares in total with a market value of $42.06. We have now made a profit of $8.56, translating to a 19.7% return rate. You can also check out my entire investment history in this following chart. While it was surely disappointing to see our winning streaks come to an end, the minor correction didn't significantly change our portfolio, especially with the solid 20% profit buffer we have built over time. So don't get too caught up in the day-to-day roller coaster. We're playing the long game here, and in the long run, we're all gonna be just fine. That's about everything. If you think this video is helpful, hit subscribe. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it better. I'll catch you next week.